Hey guys, I'm Madison. Welcome back to my channel, MaddCrafty. Today I'm doing a review. I got this crystal candles kit from Michaels on clearance for $7.97. So this box is by Make Market and it makes 2 small candles, so let's give it a try. Warning, do not try to be cute like I did and put craft glitter or paint or anything crafty into the wax. This is very dangerous. Thanks to my friend Mark for telling me that you cannot put any kind of thing in there. It could possibly explode, it could smell really bad. Don't do it.
Is that Chris?
That was a really fun nighttime activity. I think for $7, that was a really good deal. I have 2 little cute candles. Well, one, because I ruined one. I have one really cute candle. That was a lot of fun. The directions were really clear and really good in this kit, so I'm really happy with that. Overall, I think I would give it an 8. What about you, buddy? What do you give it? He gives it an 8 too. Anyway, thank you so much for watching my video. You can find me at MaddCrafty on Instagram or email me at info@maddcrafty.com. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Make you say bye-bye. Thank you. Bye.